Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 3 AG020F, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in Google Photos app on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to firstly obviously open Google Photos, and then right here we have to choose the photo that we want to edit. Now we have to click on this icon below, edit. Here we have some suggestions from Google, like and change, warm or cool. We can crop the photo or rotate it like this. We have here some tools like unblur and magic eraser. We can adjust brightness, contrast, HDR effect that we have to install, white point, highlights, shadows, black point, saturation, warmth, thin, skin tone, blue tone, pop, sharpen the noise, and vignette. We have here some filters that we can put on our photo, and we can mark up the photo with pen, highlighter, or we can just type something with text option. And now we can save this as a copy. And basically that's how you can edit photos in Google Photos. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!